The reading from the Acts of the Apostles. When Saul arrived in Jerusalem, he tried to join the disciples, but they were all afraid of him, not believing that he was a disciple. Then Barnabas took charge of him and brought them to the apostles, and he reported to them how he had seen the Lord, and that he had spoken to him, and how in Damascus he had spoken out boldly in the name of Jesus. He moved about freely with them in Jerusalem, and spoke out boldly in the name of the Lord. He also spoke and debated with the Hellenists, but they tried to kill him. And when the brothers heard of this, they took him down to Caesarea and sent him on his way to the church throughout all Judea, Galilee, and Samaria was at peace. It was being built up and walked in the favor of the Lord, and the gospel of the Lord.
Una mo ng picture mo.